There are elders to me, they are teachers to me, there are elders to me who are by knowledge. There are so many people, many of them were supposed to be my students, but actually they were my gurus. Because teacher is the one who learns from the gurus. Otherwise, teacher cannot progress. That's my understanding. If you don't make the students talk and ask you questions, then you cannot learn. You'll be talking to the wall. So, I am a person who believes that I'm a permanent student, perennial student, and I am not such great as he is told. And whatever I have written, small thing what I have written, is entirely due to my teachers. I am telling you from my bottom of my heart. Nothing is mine. Whatever I have been taught in the class, I have written it in my own words. Is in a way a type of plagiarism. Kriti Chaurya. To be in simple terms, I have taken it from somebody, put my name. There is a beautiful book written by one of the IIT Kanpur postgraduates in physics, in association with IIM Ahmedabad graduate lady. They have compiled a wonderful information about mathematics. I am telling out of context. Why I am telling you the plagiarism? They have given with all references the entire mathematics that we know of today. Algebra, geometry, astronomy, even calculus are directly taken from Indian scholars and published in their name. You know, some of the students who came to India and learned in Gurukulas in Kerala and West Bengal, I can tell you the names: Pythagoras, Newton. The Pythagoras theorem is a plagiarism from the Vedic books which give the description of the Yajna Kunda. This is by way. That way I have done plagiarism of my teachers and I have written. And nothing is mine.